Reflections and Symmetry. Take a look at the bird, but don't draw the bird unless you really want to. But notice that the bird is reflected in a pool of water to produce a mirror image. That's a reflection. A reflection is a transformation in which a figure is reflected or flipped in a line or about a line. You could say it either way, and that line is called the line of reflection. In the photo, the red line is the line of reflection. Here, take this sample right here. This is reflection in or about the y-axis. What I want you to notice when you look at this is what's happening is the image, all of the y values stay exactly the same. However, the x values become the exact opposite. This one just flipped over. It's like turning a page of a book. This one was right here. Now it's right there. The y value is the same. The x value is the opposite. So for flipping in or about the y-axis, the x values are opposite. Reflecting about the in or about the x-axis, all of the x values stay the same and the y values become opposite. Cool? Let's move on. The next thing we talk about is line symmetry. Line symmetry, a figure has line symmetry if a line, called the line of symmetry, divides the figure into two parts that are reflections of each other in or about the line. Figure may have more than one line of symmetry. Try and figure out how many lines of symmetry these three shapes have. The first one, the square, you could split it like this, and then you have a mirror image on top and bottom. Or you could split it like this. You'd have one left and right. You could split it like this, or you could split it like this. So this one has 4 lines of symmetry. A lot of people think the same thing for a rectangle, but that's not the case. A rectangle has one here, and it has one here. It doesn't work diagonally because when you flip them over, they wouldn't line up. They wouldn't be exact mirror images of each other. So this one is 2 lines. And for a circle, you have infinitely many. In other words, you could never draw them all because you could always draw another one. That is all. Goodbye. Goodbye.